Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day of term for us. My daughter is home in about 2.5 hours. It's the last day for my husband. He's a primary school teacher. So I know that everybody is going to be home for the next 6 weeks. I am also going to be working and my work has gone really bananas, busy. So I've got today. Today is my day off. I call it my day off, but it's actually the day when I try to get all the other jobs done, all the other mum jobs that I have to do in the home. I also try to film as well, so it's always a really busy day for me. So today I want to get the house in some sort of order before everybody is going to be home. For 6 weeks I am still going to be working, so I just need some time today to try and get myself, in a good place, ready for the holidays. Now I am really good at being unrealistic about what I can achieve, but my focus today is really going to be on downstairs. So starting from the front door, what are my clutter spots? What areas shall I focus on today, just to clear the way, and also if I have an unexpected visitor or anything like that, I can feel that the house is somewhat put together. I also would quite like to show you where we are with the workshop. We've made quite a bit of progress. It won't be done for a while because obviously I'm still working and we're doing bits and pieces, but I think it will probably take a few weeks until it's like properly finished and usable as a workshop. But I just want to show you how I've been getting on with that. So I just wanted to show you what we have been doing in here. As you can see, basically all of the stuff that was in our old 2 sheds has all come in here. they are currently, everything is in their shelves, and the silver that you can see is the insulation. So we've done some of it, and then we have stopped along this wall, and I've got another massive roll of it here so that we can finish it. We are also going to insulate the roof, and then all of the walls are going to be clad in plywood. And then on the floor, I'm not decided. I mean, the thing is, the floor, it wasn't insulated, but it does have like a this sort of membrane, plus there's a damp proof membrane as well. So what, I don't know, I'm thinking about whether to have some kind of vinyl floor that's easy to sort of clean, because obviously when you come in, this area is summer at the moment, but in the winter that would get really, really muddy. Oh, okay, wind is a bit blowy, plus I need to get a thing to hook the door back. So far it's just been a question of bringing everything in and not having proper homes for things. But the plan, if I just come back a bit, is, so before you get to this door here, is to put, we're going to have like a partition, and so the idea is that end will be sort of garden things and the mower and all that kind of stuff, up to, I think we're coming up to like this batten here. That's where the partition wall will be, and then all of the rest, all of this area will all be workshop. So I'm going to have like a workshop bench across here, the door's going to bang again, and then I'm going to have like a worktop on the top, and then up above I'm going to have like shelves, storage system. But yeah, it's quite exciting trying to think about how to organise it. But I mean, there's just so, feels to me like there's just so much left to do before it's going to be usable. So, but we're cracking on, getting there. Thank you all for joining me today. It's been really good for me to get the house in really good shape, but also spend some time in the garden. I just love weeding, I love being out in nature, cutting things back. I just love it. I love being out in the garden. I hope you all have an amazing summer. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're up to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!